Here is a sensor, sharp sensor for distance with infrared. We can measure with enough accuracy between 1 meter and 5 meter. I test near is less than meter, 82 centimeter, 0.8. Now I move to read the highness, 1.7 meter. Now again I put to be at distance to the wall, is near 0.8, again to the wall, 1.74 meter. So looks enough good for first test. I not put here the capacitor between plus and minus, but at first test not consumption not too high, but clear for be measurement to be enough good will be need to put again sensor.